Name is Kadi. This is Miracle.
And this is Becky.
Who?
Becky.
Okay. So what happened on that day?
On that day, we were all lying on alcohol. So I and my friend, which is Becky, I went to my foster's mom's place. I went to apologize because we were having an issue with. I also had an issue with Miracle. I pleaded that she should forgive me and she should come. I wanted to see her that give me why. Which she did. She came. Their laundry guy called her that he has seen some of their missing clothes. Which she called Nancy. And Nancy should come to the house. That they should go to the laundry's guy place. Which Nancy said, okay, no problem. Nancy then said she was not at home. She also said she was not at home, but they should go to the house at that meantime. Mind you, we were 4 in number that left, which is Favor, but she's not here. We went to the house. When we got to the house, Favor, Becky and Nancy started having issues. We already had issues, but I kept it to myself because I don't want anything that would result to fight, but I kept it to myself. But that day, due to the alcohol influence, Favor was now also gingering me, like she was eyeing me, no go do, maybe she don't do those kind of things. I then stood up. I went to meet Nancy. I said, we see me then carry do herself for this house because I did help and wash clothes and the rest. She could not say anything. That time Becky had started beating her already. Before ever the video started, she and Becky already had a fight. I said, you say me then carry do herself? Then I asked her, why did you tell Fabi, which is the girl that used to do their 2 braces, that I did Kayamata? Were you there? She said no. I said okay, no problem. I slapped her. She then pushed me. That was how the fight started. She said I did Kayamata to my exes. I said which of them? She called me. Okay. That's why the last relationship I'm just coming out from.
So
who owns
that house?
The house belongs to Becky.
Becky. How old is Becky?
Becky is 16 years old. I'm 20 years old. Miracle is 20 years old. I and Miracle are students at Federal University of Kekeke. I'm a social work 300 level student. Miracle is a English education 300 level student. So she pushed me. The fight started.
So what has happened? Have you in any way regretted it?
Yeah, after everything, I went to the kitchen. She's also my witness. I went to the kitchen. I was crying. Favor was like, "Na beat person, na they go cry like that gingering power." But I was so weak because the alcohol was now cleared from my eyes. I was like, if with my normal eyes, I won't do this. I've been avoiding this issue. That's why I've been leaving the house. But
in summary, why did you do it?
I did it because I was high and the peer pressure, and out of anger.
Gentlemen, she didn't do anything.
She did.
It's okay. It's okay. Please.